Hello and welcome to Math 319. I'm going to go over an introduction video for the course. I'll probably give you kind of the lay of the land first and go over some things in the syllabus, and then there'll be some other videos for you to look at after this one. So hopefully this is what you see when you log in. As you notice that mine says the student preview mode is on, so you're kind of seeing what I'm seeing. If you look over here, this is the home dashboard. This is the instructor contact. So there are some contact hours. These office hours will change. So I will change that when I get a second. Announcements. Right now, see, as you can see, these are the old announcements from last semester. I kept them up for now just so you could see what they would look like. But if you go all the way down to like the beginning, this is where, the very first post that I had. So those will all be deleted and you'll have a lot of posts throughout the semester. So home dashboard, instructor contact, announcements. And then there's the course content, and the most important thing of all is the syllabus. We'll get to that in a second. The getting started videos, you'll actually find the video you're watching right now in the getting started videos, and I want to show you that it's actually just a connection to a YouTube channel. It's just the easiest way for me to get videos to you fast, and then you get to actually see how long they take. So I thought I would give you a little bit different perspective with those. So these are all the videos so far that I've made. There may be a couple more by the time you see this video. This is important. This is something that I think you should print. Obviously it says print this stuff. So you're going to print something. You can see that I'll explain this when I go over the syllabus, but for example, I've given you a check sheet of all the problems for the units, and you'll understand that in a minute, but again, I'm just giving you an overview. Right now, you can see Unit 1 and Unit 2, and there are 5 units available. Eventually, they'll all be posted, but right now you can see Unit 1. We're going to go over the unit video, a video for the just units in a different video. Answers, these are answers to the problems. Like right now, if you click on it, you won't see those because they're not posted yet. Reflection assignments, I'll go over that. But there's a quick link to there. Discussion boards, you'll be able to see all the discussion boards. And I'm going to pause right now and I'm going to ask you to do the following. It says open questions for Unit 1. I want you to click on open questions for Unit 1 and I want you to subscribe. I want everyone to stop. Open your browser and do that right now. So again, you're in discussion boards. If you didn't get that, open questions for Unit 1. I want you to subscribe. Then I want you to look at another discussion board that says open questions for Unit 2. And I want you to subscribe. So discussion boards, open questions for Unit 1, open questions for Unit 2. If you want to keep going now, it's probably a smart idea. If you can see all of these, subscribe to the open questions. The reason why I'm making you do that right now is that's the only way you're going to get notifications when somebody asks a question that you can help on. And I'm going to just keep reiterating this throughout all the videos as much as possible. So over here, the last thing we have is discussion board rubrics. There's already 2 rubrics posted, and I'll talk to you more about that in a different video. Don't worry about the calendar, the course messages. This is where you would access your grades, and don't worry about the email because those are parts that you will that you just don't have to worry about for this course. Okay, so that's a very brief introduction of what you see when you log in. And now I'm going to go over the syllabus in a different video. I'm going to try to break it up a little bit.